Echo 3, Papa Charlie, Papa Mobile.
Bravo.
Okay, Papa Charlie something?
Yeah, good afternoon, Jim. It's Victor Echo 3, Papa Charlie, Papa Mobile. With D5.
Roger, Roger. Victor Echo 3, Papa, what was the rest?
Yeah, it's Victor Echo 3, Papa Charlie, Papa Mobile. Victor Echo 3, Papa Charlie, Papa Mobile.
Roger, Roger, Papa Charlie, Papa, and Mobile, and whereabouts are you, sir?
Yeah, good afternoon. The name is Rob Roger Oscar Baker, and we are near a town called Kincardine, Ontario, which is on the shore of Lake Huron, a couple hours northwest of the city of Toronto, Qso.
Oh, Roger, Roger. Okay, audio-wise, man, you've got a cutter there. That the way you have it EQ'd, and that's really cuts through nicely. And your dynamic range looks to be about 2 dB, so it's an extremely loud mobile, Roger.
Very good. Well, glad to hear it. I usually get pretty good reports. We've spoken a few times in the past as well, Qso.
Roger, Roger. Let me see here just for a second. Trying to see if Milford, just out of curiosity, if Milford is still up. I don't think so. Nope, nope. I just want to see what Milford, PA, what you were doing in Milford, PA, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. You generally do hear me back Milford, PA repeater, but anyways, Kenwood T120 and running a Hustler 40-meter mobile antenna on the roof of the car and a D104 preamplified hand by Qso.
Oh, Roger, Roger, and about 20 dB of compression. But as long as you don't shut up, it sounds really good. But if you take a pause for the cause with a mic keyed, your background catches up with you, Roger.
Yeah, Qso, well, that's one of the problems with the mobile, and I got a case of the hiccups right now, so that's why you're getting a bit of pause in my audio from time to time, Qso.
Hey, Roger, Roger. Well, you're doing a great job. I wouldn't change a thing. You know, the thing about mobiles is that they are under such pressure to be able to function in the world, you know, because they're a smaller antenna, you know, and they're moving around, so they have their jobs cut out for them. So I usually, you know, I don't really sometimes suggest prim and proper operation. I mean, it's whatever works when you're hanging out by the seat of your pants.
Yeah, Qso, well, the Kenwood TS120 is an older radio, so it only has mic gain on it, so there's no other adjustments on it, Qso.
Well, sir, you are taking advantage of what you have to work with, for sure. And if you want to hear it, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and you'll be looking for a Qso entitled My Group Aircheck 121319. My Group Aircheck 121319. Roger?
Roger, Roger. Yep, thanks very much, Jim, for being there, and appreciate what you do. Oh, play 7-3 for now in case you want to get another person in there before you close it up at 5 o'clock. 7-3, good afternoon. V3PCP mobile's clear.
Roger. Now, what do you do for the hiccups?
I don't know. They've been going on and off pretty steadily for the last couple of days, and I have ulcerative colitis, and I'm on medication for that, so I'm wondering maybe if it's a side effect, but don't really know for sure.
Roger, Roger. Well, I don't know. I would, if it were me, I'd take a stiff drink and see where it went from there.
Well, it couldn't hurt, that's for sure. Anyway, thanks a lot. 7-3 V3PCP mobile.
Roger, Roger. 3's that way. And what was the name again? Was it Robert?
It's Rob, Roger, Oscar Baker, yep.
Roger, Roger. Rob, you have a good weekend, and we'll say 3's for now. This is KC9VKV, the Qso-Vlog network, moving down to its final moments. We have about 3 minutes left. If there's somebody out there that wants a quick radio check, give me a shout.